Hello and welcome back. Hope you're good, doing well. So this is going to be the euro dollar recap since December 2020. All right, so since December 2020 we were expecting euro dollar to go down all the way back to that low, so we are just close to 1200. All right, 1.12. We are just about to hit 1.12, and over time we are expecting it to just keep dragging lower. 107. So it's almost our 1 year recap of the euro dollar charts. All right, so if I'm gonna look at this chart, all right, so we were expecting it to drop. Okay, so we have seen ascending channel over there, and then we got a breakout, the breakout which we were expecting. All right, so the breakout we have seen over there after having that channel, and since then the euro dollar is dropping. All right, so after we having that top, it found its top over there. People were expecting at that time, many experts were expecting that time we're gonna have cyclical sell-off on the dollar. Okay, because we had crash, all right, and interest rate was close to zero, and experts were expecting that we're gonna see your cyclical sell-off on the dollar. All right, but we were not expecting that. All right, we were expecting that the dollar gonna prevail and gonna reverse for longer term, and it found its top over there at close to 124, and since then it is dropping. Okay, so let's move on and let's look at the next. All right, so at that weekly correction, we were expecting it to break out. We got a breakout, and the next wave appeared over there. All right, and then we were expecting it to break down that expanding triangle. All right, so these are the updates. Okay, yeah, it's found its top over there. Once we have seen that the top is fine on the euro dollar. Yeah, so then we were just looking it to keep dragging lower all the way back to the target, longer term target. All right, and then we have seen there. Okay, all right, so another pullback, small pullback was there on the lower time frame. Yeah, so we have seen over there. Yeah, so updates were there, so it was dragging lower. All right, and then we have seen yeah, it to continue. Yeah, so we were expecting it to continue to keep dragging lower. Yeah, so it dragged lower but did not hit that low, and then went into a bigger daily correction over there. So yeah, I was expecting that correction over there, but not that much far away. All right, but we remained longer term bearish on the euro dollar when it went into that bigger daily correction. Okay, we were expecting it to go that much far away. All right, but that move slightly unexpected, we can say that. We were expecting that move at that time. All right, so we were expecting that daily correction to keep breaking down. All right, there, so we haven't seen breakout over there. We were expecting this to break out. All right, so we didn't see breakout over there. All right, so we have seen sharp sell-off over there. Yeah, after a couple of more daily pullbacks, push-ups. All right, but that didn't continue. All right, and all these, this is the third one. All right, so yeah, so sharp sell-off came over there, but price still managed to get back to the previous top, we can say that. All right, so it went slightly higher, but we never changed our longer term analysis. We were sticking to that. All right, and we have seen that pattern over there on lower time frame, but we were sticking to the bigger drop over there. Yeah, so I'm gonna look at the 4-hour time frame over there on that daily correction. All right, so there, okay, so there we were expecting it to break down. Right, so price did not give us breakout. All right, we haven't seen breakout over there, and it slightly went higher. Okay, and then we went into a channel over there. We call that ending. Yeah, you can say that ending diagonal, or the term which we use is the ascending channel. All right, or wedge. All right, so that wedge started to appear over there. Yeah, so updates were there. wedge was appearing over there at that top. Okay, and then finally price, you know, started to break out that daily correction. Yeah, it is on a 4-hour time frame. Wedge is on a 4-hour time frame, but the daily correction was on a daily, I mean, you know, the flag was there on daily time frame. All right, so since then price was just keep dropping. Okay, and that was the final top over there on the euro dollar. Yeah, 122.60 or 70. All right, and then, you know, we have seen, you know, this, we are within that way right now. Okay, simply, yeah, it found its top over there. Since then it's dropping. All right, so since then it is, you know, just keep dropping lower. So the next correction formed over there. All right, okay, we were expecting that to break down, okay, after having that bigger daily correction. All right, and all these corrections since then, all these corrections were breaking down. Okay, all these corrections were keep breaking down. These were the short-term trades, by the way, the trades which I'm showing you on 4-hour time frame. Okay, so there we were expecting a small push up. Okay, a pullback, daily pullback. Okay, daily pullback. We have seen that daily pullback. It went up to you know, up to 119 and then resumed its bearish trend. All right, then it's resumed its bearish trend. Okay, and since you know, then it is dropping. Okay, so this 4-hour time frame, we were expecting it to break out. It slightly went higher. Yeah, so we haven't seen breakout over there. Yeah, so it went higher, then we got a, you know, top over there on daily time frame. All right, then the daily time frame top found over there. All right, so dropping after having that daily correction. Okay, so dropping, all these updates were dropping over there. We have seen euro dollar in drops, pullbacks happened. All right, so nice pullback happened over there on lower time frame, and short-term trades were appearing over there. All right, and finally we have seen that the price broke out over there, that low. All right, and all these updates are there. So this was the recent one. All right, so the move, the daily chart which I've just shown you, that started from there. Okay, and that daily wave started there. Okay, and this was the recent one. Okay, euro is dropping since hitting that top. Okay, 1.17, dropping from that top. So that was the recent one. Okay, we were expecting it to come there and hold that or break down that flag. So we got a, you know, sharp breakdown, right? And then we're expecting this to continue to keep dragging lower. Okay, this is still a longer term target. The longer term target is still 107, right? And we are about to hit 112 right now. Yeah, and after that there was a short-term opportunity on 4-hour time frame that happened, right? That broke it too. All right, and then there was a 4-hour time flag that broke it too. All right, and this is just recently. Okay, so the today one, we were expecting it to break out again. Okay, so the breakout happened and price is just, you know, getting back to 1261.1260. Yeah, so that was the 1 year journey, we can say that, of euro dollar. All right, from the previous top and from 120, close to 124. Since then it is dropping. Okay, if I'm going to sum up that in one chart, okay, then this is going to be the weekly chart. All right, so that was the top on the weekly chart, and since then we are going down. All right, so hopefully you have enjoyed that video. You have enjoyed that 1 year, you know, journey on the euro dollar. All right, okay, so we'll see you back again in another, you know, setup. Until then, bye.